Still Sunday. You didn't think I'd be back, did you? Well, I'm back. I let chickens out, and I thought, you know what? I'll take them with me. Not chickens, yo. Look here. Morning, ladies. Watch them all follow me. Watch this. Good morning. No swearing. I've got my camera on. Come on. I'm here. Morning, mate. How are you? Come on. Sheep down there, isn't it? Nah, look here, look. Do. Morning, ladies. Come on then. Oh. Do. Come on. What we doing? Say good morning. Come on, say good morning. Don't bother them. Oh, the ignorant little bleeders. Why are they following me? Well, they're following me because in here I keep my feed. There you know. So, think about that. There it is. Chickling feed. Come on. Greedy little bleeders. Come on. Get out of the way. Come on. That's it, it'll all be in the back in, look, back in. Let's see if we've got any eggs. Hang about. We should have. Oh, yes, see? So, 1 egg, 3 eggs. So all together we've got 6 eggs. That's breakfast sorted. Half a dozen eggs. And there's no taste nicer, seriously, than free range eggs. It's the only reason I've got chickens. Because chickens, the sens don't bother me. They just keep, like, look after the sens, really. So, I love this. Look there, look. What a view. What a view. They're all there in fight. Come on, let's put this in here. That's it. Breakfast down at the farm. Love it. So, these have had some nuts this morning. So nuts are sheep nuts that you get 'em. Although these are just lambs. But look at them already coming on. Come on, ladies. Hey, good morning. What are you doing? Good morning. Have you had them all them nuts? They're very inquisitive. See that one what's staring at you at a minute with black face? I'm mad. That's I'm mad. Oh, I saw you stretching then. Come on. Look there. What a view. There. Not me. Just got to see if there's any eggs in here, because there's half a dozen there. Might just Sid, because no eggs in there. Might do our Sid a scrambled egg for his breakfast this morning. In fact, I'll take it now, pick them up in a bit. Have like a thing to put them in. Not bad, is it? Yeah, so today I'm going to empty this out. My log pile, as you know. Get all that shifted. Because winter's fastly approaching. Have you noticed its nights are drawing in? Getting a little bit I'm looking for something, that's it. Nights are starting to draw in. We'll soon be into winter. So that's why I'm collecting my logs at the moment. Get a log pile built up. Yeah. I hate bloody winter. Can't stand it. Horrible. These are all swallows flying about. Perched up here on that thing, on that wire. Look at them. And they're flying into there. Because there's a nest in there. So it's still Sunday. I'm don't know what I'm going to do yet today. But I thought, do you know what? I'll let chickens out. I'll feed chickens and I'll put something else on YouTube and TikTok. Oh, by the way, I'm Mick Fogg. I'm an independent. I'm sick of saying this. You should know I am. Independent funeral director. I'm based in Sheffield, but I live up in North Yorkshire Dales. And why wouldn't you? It's just amazing, isn't it? I'd like to thank you all for liking and subscribing the channel. I'm not one of them who says, hi guys, welcome to our channel. Because I know a lot of them do, I watch. And they always look right smart. Have you noticed? They always look like pristine. Hey, this, got it yesterday. I bought about 4 shirts yesterday. From it's a second-hand shop that I go to. Yeah, second-hand. £3.50 this shirt. I mean, I paid a lot for it, but I like it, you know what I mean? And yeah, alright, I'm a millionaire, so I deserve to treat myself, you know what I mean? I shouldn't feel guilty about spending a lot of money on clothes, should I? I like clothes. In fact, I bought these 4 shirts and I think they're about £3.50 each, all of them. Yeah, they were £3.50. And my wife said that I'm good at charity shops. But I'm not embarrassed about it. As a kid, we lived out of jumble sales. That's on it. We had new clothes when I was a kid on Council Estate on Woodthorpe. They were tin hut outside at church. There used to be jumble sales there. So yeah, I think most people did in them days. Unlike, I mean, if you said to a kid today, You know, I see you going to Jumbo sale, get you some clothes. I think some kids would just look at you and gone, like, shut up, I'm wearing second-hand clothes. So this shirt, although it's mine now, wasn't originally mine. It was bought by somebody else. Somebody at Oz, probably. But I went to Sedbra. I can never say the bloody name of that village. Cheryl wanted to go. There's a place called Meetuck there. It's a butcher's, and she wanted to go there and get some stuff. It's really quality stuff. It's a proper butcher's, not like that crap from supermarket. So we had to have her up there. And it's a right prat about going somewhere when you live in the middle of nowhere. That's the downside to it. But while Cheryl were at Meetuck and bookshop, because she's book mad. She's a bookworm, my wife. She's forever. In fact, I bought her a book yesterday. I bought her a Thomas Hardy book. We're not being in good health at the moment. Thomas Hardy is one of her favourite writers. Well, perhaps not a favourite writer, but she likes that sort of stuff. It's like right all my eared books and all that. I'm not right into books. I don't like reading much, but when I left school I couldn't read, see. So I couldn't read and I couldn't write properly, and I get my letters mixed up. Like E's and V's and stuff like that. I get things mixed up with letters, but I'm dyslexic, so it's normal. Can't spell anyway. But I don't think there's such a thing as dyslexic. I think what happens is it's just memory, innit? You know, it's just remembering things. But everything's got a name today, hasn't it? Like if you're a little brat, they say, oh, he's got ADHD. No, he hasn't. He's just a little brat. But everything has to be named. It's like you can't say you're a bloke now. You can't say I'm a man. You have to be cisgender or something. Male means that I was born as a man and I still recognise as a man. World's gone crackers, hasn't it? You can recognise as what you want. So if I wanted to be, I could say I'm recognising as an 8-year-old girl called, I don't know, Lucy. Could even wear a dress. And that'd be normal, and nobody could slate me for that on social media, because if they did, they could get into trouble. Nobody can say he's fucking demented. He's recognised as an 8-year-old girl called Lucy. It's just unreal, isn't it? You've got male boxers going into the ring with female boxers today, nearly knocking them out with one punch. It's brought wife beating to a different level, hasn't it? It's become a sport. Fucking unreal, seriously. But nobody's allowed to say, oh, hang on a minute. What's in between your legs? Oh, I've got a tail. Right, well, in that case, you're a fucking man. Grow up. I'm not allowed to say that to somebody. At all. Women can be men and men can be women, and we're not allowed to say. I ain't got a problem with it, by the way, all this. I don't want people to say, oh, he's anti whatever. I'm not anti anything. Just leave me alone. If you want to recognise as a man, if you want to recognise as a woman, then that's it. But don't involve me in it. Don't try and put me into a box. Say, well, you have to recognise as this, because I have to recognise as, no, I'm a bloke and I was born a man, and I weren't born a man, I was born a child. I weren't even born as a child, I was born as a baby. Yeah. I was born as a baby at 171 Fish Ponds Road, West, on Woodthorpe Estate in my Nan and Reed's house. Back bedroom, actually. And our Dave, my Uncle Dave, was first person to actually hold me, and he's been like a dad to me ever since. He's not right well at the minute, my Uncle Dave, and he's an absolute diamond of a bloke. He really is. And then we moved up to 105 Woodrow Avenue, where I spent my childhood. In fact, I lived there till I was about 19, 20. And now I'm just up the road at my local pub called I Noon, which I've converted into a funeral home. And then I'm here, miles away from out. Just crazy, innit? So I've got a neighbour. I'll show you where my mate lives. So across there, just let me just get this right, because I have to be. So that's there. So Tony's is right now on left hand side, halfway uphill. You'll see a white cottage and a barn. So that's where my mate lives, Tony. So I can pick most of these farms out across. And know, well, it's just nice. You can see them working land, and you can see them with the sheep and what they're up to. It's just nice, absolutely amazing. Anyway, what am I doing today? I ain't got a clue what I'm doing today. I'm not going to do a lot, actually, I think, today. I think I'm going to have a relaxing day, chilling. Once I've emptied that trailer out, because we've got company next weekend up here. We've got Cheryl's sisters coming up to spend a few days with us. So that'll be nice for her, for Cheryl and for her sister. It'll be lovely. Some family time, some quality time. If you're wondering why I'm doing that all the time, I'm trying to like touch back at screen so it comes on, so I can make sure it's still recording. 17 minutes and 48 seconds I've been on fire now. So I'm going to go and upload this now. And I'm going to make a cup of coffee for my wife. I thought she was up, but she's usually up really early, but she's still in bed. But I'll make a coffee. Now we have fresh ground coffee. I don't have that instant coffee, I have fresh ground. So aroma at coffee will smell lovely, and no doubt she'll be like that Bisto kid, knows where. That might bring her downstairs. Oh, fucking chickens have gone down there. Oh, they're a pain in the ass sometimes, I swear. I was watching it. So it's where Ut is down there, can they see? It's the fucking things. See, the trouble with that is they get out, they get onto the path down at bottom. Right, I'm going.